Hi, this is Joe from powerofattorneyform.com, and today we're going to talk to you about the four main power of attorney forms in the state of Mississippi. Now, if you don't know what power of attorney is, it's just a legal form that allows you to choose anyone that you wish to handle your either financial or medical decision making. So, in other words, it allows somebody else to step in your shoes, and on the financial end, it can be as small as picking up your mail and writing checks, and as large as closing on a piece of real estate for you. So the first form we're going to talk about is we're going to go all the way to the left side of the page over here, and it's the Mississippi Durable Power of Attorney form. Now this allows someone to act on another's behalf for all financial powers legal in the state of Mississippi. Now the reason why this form is the most popular is because it's the only form that is valid if the principal becomes incapacitated or told by a licensed medical physician that they can no longer make decisions with a clear mind. Now, the reason why this is so popular is because as all our baby boomers are hitting the senior age, they're getting things like dementia, Alzheimer's, all these awful diseases that impairs their thinking. So what this does is it allows them to choose somebody just in case they're not able to perform the everyday tasks of paying bills and any other financial obligations that they may have. So, but the durable power of attorney form can be used by anyone, and again, it allows you to choose anyone to step in your shoes to make financial decision making on your behalf. So we go to the right on the next form. It's the medical power of attorney form, and it's pretty self-explanatory. It allows you to choose anyone to act for you for health care decision making, and that really boils down to two types of decisions, either medical treatment decisions and medical facility decisions. So again, before, just in case something should happen to you that would impair your thinking or judgment, and instead of having your family fight over what's going to happen to you or what sort of medical route you should go, this allows you to select one person to make all the decisions. All right, and then the next form on the right is the Mississippi General Power of Attorney form. And this form is actually just like the durable, except for one thing. It's that this form becomes void if the principal becomes incapacitated. So we often find that people use this with their attorneys or business partners. Usually situations where they trust someone professionally, but if they got into the chance where something happened to them, they not necessarily would want them to be making all the financial decisions. They would want their family to. So that's pretty much sums up the general form. And last but not least is the Mississippi Limited Power of Attorney form. And I use this form around tax season for my accountant because it allows you to select someone to act in your behalf for a very specific financial power or powers. So if you say are out of the office all the time, but you're always getting mail, you can have your office assistant have one of these and they can sign off on all the mail for you. Or if you want to have somebody like I do, have my accountant just handle my taxes. I don't want him handling my banking account. I like to sleep very well at night. I don't want to have to worry. Even though, of course, I trust him, I don't want to have to worry because there's a lot of power of attorney fraud out there. And no matter which form you use, you want to always make sure that you choose somebody that you trust. So now that I've given you an explanation of all four of these forms, in order to get any of these legal, you need to have these notarized. Now, if you don't know what a notary is, it's no big deal. All you have to do is go to your local branch bank, and every branch bank has a notary on file. So you just are on staff, I should say. So you just walk in there, even if you don't have an account. They may charge you a small fee. I know Bank of America charges around $8 to $10, and you can have your form notarized. And that's it. Your form is legal. One tip I would suggest, if you're going to have a Mississippi medical power of attorney form, I would definitely give a copy to my primary care physician because they're always notified whenever something should happen to you. And if you have that medical power of attorney form, that will make sure that whoever's supposed to speak for you will be making those decisions. So that's it. That is the 4 main Mississippi power of attorney forms.